Welcome back to Stay Focused, Focus Real Estate's weekly video blog. I'm Randall.
I'm Eric.
And today we're here to talk about 5 ways to build equity in real estate.
Our monthly Focus 5.
Focus 5.
5 ways to build equity in real estate.
We do 6, but we only have 5 fingers, so that would get awkward. So I guess if we're going to talk about the equity you have in your home, I guess the first thing we've got to do is define it. So Eric, what is home equity?
Well, that's a good question. So basically equity is the difference between the amount of money you owe on your property and its current value.
Okay, fair enough. So like if you make a large down payment, is that a good way to increase the
So
equity of your
that's
house?
one of our ways to increase equity is make a larger down payment. So you
Okay.
owe less on the property and its value is there, but you owe less.
Well, another thing we're also seeing is a second way to do this is cut your loan terms down. The typical mortgage is 30 years, but we're actually starting to see with the rising interest rates, people cutting their mortgages into 20 and 15 years. And it's a double bonus. There's 2 reasons why that's awesome. First, you usually get a lower percentage interest rate. And then second, you are actually making larger principal payments every month.
You're building your equity faster
Yep.
because you're paying down your loan faster.
So those first couple talk about like making your purchase and you're doing that. You know, if you're already in a home, you've been a home for 5, 10, 20, or whatever you have, and you still have a mortgage. Another way you can cut down or add equity to your home is by just making an extra payment a year.
Yep.
So
One extra payment a year on a 30-year loan, you'll reduce the term of that loan to 23 years. You'll knock 7 years off that
term of that loan.
term of that loan.
And don't forget, when you're looking at your payment a month, your most payments also include taxes and escrow for taxes and insurance. You don't have to make that, just the principal and interest.
Another way to build equity is, we've talked about this on previous videos, is home improvements. And certainly there's some home improvements have a bigger return on investment and increase the value of your home more.
Don't worry, there won't be a quiz. But yes, you can certainly make some improvements to your property and make it, you know, we've always said sexy sells. So make your home sexier and it'll be worth more money.
And the last, number 5 of our Focus 5 is leveraging up.
Yep. So taking the equity that you have in your current property, perhaps you have a good amount of equity in your current property and you might access some of that through a home equity line of credit and make a purchase of another property. So basically what you have then are 2 properties that are increasing in value with the rate of inflation in the economy. So
you're using your current home and the equity you have to leverage into another one.
Yep.
And
so both of those properties are growing at the same time through the market.
you're doubling your equity.
Yep.
Yeah, great. So we hope you found this helpful and informative. If you have any questions on any of this, or you'd like us to help you figure out how you can build equity in your house,
Or you need a good mortgage broker.
yeah,
Let
drop
us
us
know.
a line, comment below. Glad to help you out.
Yep. And don't forget to like us on Facebook, everybody.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And until next time,
Stay tuned and stay focused. Are you rolling? Cut.
No, stop.
Okay.